Okay, for those of you that want to know how I fitted cruise control to my Suzuki GSX1250FA, here it is. First of all, I mounted the bracket, or the main unit, which you can sort of see the edge of down here, which is a Rostra universal cruise control. That actually comes down via the cable, the pull cable that it runs, which is just down there, runs down through here, around the back of the airbox, back around, and mounts on an existing hole. By memory, it's an existing hole just here. I probably drilled one, doesn't matter. That cable then goes down and connects to a center point on a pull cable. Now that pull cable actually halves, or near on halves, the amount of movement that the Rostra system actually provides. So when I pull on the cable here with a pair of pliers, it moves the throttle. I'm not pulling it as nicely as the system does. So that movement there, it is actually a lot less than when I actually fitted it directly. So that cable, it's got a cable that was supplied, which comes from that brass point there down around the throttle bodies. If I can get down to them, you can sort of just see it. It's really hard and there's not much room down there. That actually sits under the existing throttle cable. That beaded cable then up the other end mounts onto a bracket that I put onto the frame. Now that bracket, basically all parts used came with the universal kit and works quite well. The controls, I've just made a waterproof sort of assembly which mounts off the brake reservoir mounting point, which has also got a ram mount there, which is resume and accelerate at the top and set and decelerate at the bottom. To disengage it, I just touch the front or rear brake. Usually I just use the rear because it's a lot nicer. But there's actually my phone mount and power for everything. So that's how it sort of works, and hopefully people can understand that. If you've got any questions, just ask me.